So now that we have this beautiful carrot dish, we're gonna take a bite. All right. Hey everybody, this is Kelsey Small from the Ooni Test Kitchen, and today we are cooking a very simple dish. It's roasted carrots with salsa verde and ricotta. This is a really awesome, easy vegetable dish that's sure to impress people, but it's also very easy to make. So it's a nice balance of like maximum flavor, minimum effort. First, we're gonna have our roasted carrots, and we're just gonna toss them in some olive oil and salt. It's super simple. These are gonna get a lot of flavor from the salsa verde, so they don't need a lot right now. We just want to make sure they have an even coat of oil. So if they have any dry spots, just give them a toss. We're just going to load our carrots onto the cast iron, and we're going to bake them in our Ooni oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're tender but still have a good chew. While our carrots are cooking, we're going to make our salsa verde. We have all our beautiful salsa verde ingredients. This involves a lot of rough chopping of herbs and some red wine vinegar, olive oil, and a little Meyer lemon juice and zest. If you can't get Meyer lemons, regular lemons are fine, but if you can get Meyer lemons, definitely recommend it. The flavor difference is very noticeable. We'll start by rough chopping our garlic and shallots. I'm rough chopping a piece of garlic, just smash it like so. And we're just gonna kinda almost turn it into like a paste. We don't want like a bunch of chunks of garlic, but it doesn't need to be perfect. You know, this is gonna be a very rustic sauce. So we're just gonna brunoise our shallots, which is small dice. And we're gonna take some chives. For our herbs, we're using mint, dill, chives, and parsley, but you can use any kind of combination herbs you have. If you have some thyme, if you have tarragon, if you have some cilantro, carrot tops, arugula, it's also awesome in this. So now that we've cut up all our herbs, we're going to season it with some olive oil, red wine vinegar, and Meyer lemon juice and salt. But first, we'll do about like a half cup of red wine vinegar. And you're gonna use a pretty good amount of olive oil. It's gonna kind of create like a slurry. And again, of course, you can do this all in a food processor. It'll get much smoother and be more of a pourable sauce if you do it like that. This is kind of a fun way. I'm doing a nice chunky rustic thing to do. And then we'll season it with some salt. And then we'll do the zest from 2 Meyer lemons. And then we'll just cut one of our juice lemons, and we're gonna use the juice from that. It's like a nice, fun, green, vibrant sauce. We're just almost ready to pull our carrots out of the oven. So our carrots have been cooking for about 12 minutes, and we're gonna pull them out. Wow, they look great. They have a nice little caramelization. They're not too soft. We're gonna let them cool down a minute, and then we're gonna slice them and toss them in our salsa verde. So our carrots have cooled down slightly. They're still a little warm. You kind of want to serve this one warm. It's gonna have like cold ricotta underneath, the warm carrots, the salsa verde. So we're gonna just slice them on a bias to make like nice little fun pieces. You can slice them any way you want. You can serve them whole if you want to. All right, that's about one portion, and we're gonna toss this with a little bit of our salsa verde. Here. And just get a nice coating. And now we're just gonna plate this. We have some beautiful ricotta that we've seasoned with a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of olive oil. When you're buying ricotta, buy the best possible ricotta you can get. The difference will be between like the texture of cottage cheese and velvet. Layer on some carrots underneath. That way, when you scoop it up, you get a little bit of everything. And then we're gonna just top it off with some of the herbs from the salsa verde. And a little bit of crunchy salt. And some pepper. And maybe just another drizzle of olive oil. And there you go. That's roasted carrots with salsa verde and ricotta. We're gonna take a bite. It's acidic, sweet from the carrots, creamy ricotta. Super simple, really awesome dish. For more recipes like this, head over to Ooni.com and check out what we got going on. Peace.